Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking the list you have and deciding whether order matters. If order does not matter, converting the list to a set is the fastest path because sets remove duplicates by design. Once you confirm types are hashable strings, numbers, tuples, assign new list equals list, set old list. Make sure to reassign if you need the list variable unchanged elsewhere. This step is immediate and efficient. You now have a deduplicated collection, but probably without original ordering. If order matters, use a scene set and either a simple loop or a comprehension. Scene equals set. Result equals X for X in old list if not X in scene or scene. Add X. You do this because scene, add X returns none, so the comprehension both checks and records items in one pass. Once done, result holds the first occurrence of each element in original order. This method runs in linear time and avoids extra sorting. It preserves sequence identity while removing duplicates efficiently. To finish, validate the output with common edge cases, empty lists, lists of identical items, and mixed type lists. If you encounter unhashable items like lists, convert inner lists to tuples or deduplicate by a custom key function such as JSON. Dumps for complex structures. Make sure to choose the right method. Set for speed, scene set for order. If something goes wrong, check for unhashable types or accidental reassignment. Resolving those fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.